Good morning, 11:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Sunday, January 21st, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So as we can see, crypto market been a little volatile on this Sunday morning. Bitcoin's at 41,583, down about 90 points. We've been up and down. This could be a reversal candle, or it could just be to garner some more liquidity so that we can push up to this resistance. If we look at these from the 3-hourly, we can see the long leg doji 45-minute consolidating down a little bit, 30-minute consolidating down, 15-minute. We're into oversold now, so we have to watch that. 5-minute trying to bounce around now. This could be the start of a small reversal in the 5-minute. 3-minute, same thing. It could be coming back up to see if we are bearish. 1-minute, starting to bounce back up. So what you'd anticipate here would be around the 41,700, and we'll see how we react. I know I talked about Algo earlier in the week. Algo, same thing. We should be coming up to about 1727, maybe. Well, it did touch the bottom of this little formation, so maybe back up to 1732 to see how we react with Algo. This is a little formation. I just wanted to hit that real quick because we were talking about this the other day. So Algo stuck within that little small formation. If it breaks to the top side, you'd anticipate a run up somewhere close to 18 cents. If it breaks down, we'd be looking at 1681, a test of support. Now, it started to come down, but as we can see with Bitcoin, it breached the oversold pretty quickly. So we'll see if we do have a retest back to the top side of this little pattern. But that's what I'm showing right now for Algo, just to give you a quick look. XRP down 0.4% to 5511. We are consolidating now. Definitely consolidating. If we look at this in the smaller time frames, we had a golden cross in the 15, but now we need to come back up over that 5507 roughly and stay above that and then start rotating back up if we want that to play true. 30-minute, we came down for consolidation, but again, we need this to come up to 5524 and then ultimately break back above in the 30, 5543 for XRP to continue this move up. It looks like it wanted to come up to a rejection area, maybe 56.8, but it's gotten rejected at the 200-day right now at 55.5. Came down for a further consolidation. If we look at the other chart for XRP, same thing up to the 200-day. Looks like we could have created this inversion pattern, the inverted left shoulder, head, right shoulder, now coming up for consolidation, back testing just a little bit. Looks like we could have one more leg up here on Sunday. I'm not saying we're going to make a new Sunday high. I'm just saying it looks like, well, maybe I am saying we're going to make a new Sunday high. Because it looks like it really wants to come up here at some point and retest 57.22 for XRP. And the reason I say that is because if you look at this in a logical sense here, if it's breaking up here and we do hold, let's just say the 2-hourly does hold after this retest, because this is good. If you're looking for the continuation, you need these big violent dump downs every so often. This clears out the RSI in the shorter time frames and it allows it to move up. So we'll see. We'll see. We're on the fringes across all crypto. We're on the fringes. It's Sunday for everything that's going to happen. I like it to happen before 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. when the futures are on. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking in the next couple hours maybe to have that last little explosive move. It doesn't mean it's going to be a lot. It just means to dump out the short-term liquidity. We probably are going to need one more push back up. And then it would be beneficial for XRP if it did come up to this level that it broke down from. Even if it just comes up to 57 cents and gets rejected, that would be a nice push up for rejection. Now, if it wants to come back to support, we could fall to 534. It's possible. So, but it's going to mainly depend on Bitcoin. Watch Bitcoin, 41,608. It did slip into oversold here in the smaller time frames. Now it's starting to reverse a little bit, put in a little W here. So is this a precursor to that push up? And then we'll see how we react maybe to this 42,000 level. It's possible. Bitcoin came up there. What was this? On Friday, we came up there. So could we come back up there? It's possible. But we got to be very cautious here because if Bitcoin is breaking down, our lower target, if it does come to the bottom, would be 40,400 again. Now, are we ready? It's hard to tell. It's a thinly traded weekend right now. That'll change come tonight. But as of right now, Bitcoin's in the middle because it tried to dump down, but the relative strength came down way too hard. So now it might come up for a violent retracement. Just a couple, maybe 100, 200 points here just to try to garner some more bottom side liquidity, but we'll see. We'll see. It's trickling up here, and the RSI came up pretty quickly in the minute. If we look at the 5 minute, looks like it's trying to put a W reversal, but we'll see. We'll see. And then one more look here before I leave, just so you guys can see. Looks like a possible reversal candle in the 5 minute. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Algo come back up to 1731 and finish continuing pushing in this little formation. It's what I've been watching for the last couple of days. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. I wouldn't be surprised if it came back up here where the RSI is and hits that like 1730. Maybe it overextends and double tops here. Maybe that's how we get a double top. So what if we did something like it came up, down, up. If it broke down like that, maybe we could see a massive M. But we'll see. It's going to take time. It's going to take a couple hours here today to see how this finishes out. Ethereum, another one that's come down for consolidation. But if it does break back up and this rotates to the top side, I mean, it's possible that we do come back up because the 30 minute is a reversal, it looks like. It almost looks like it came down here to trick us. As bearish as it looks, it's interesting. It's very, very interesting this morning. So I'm going to be watching all this very closely. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, please make sure to hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and joining the over 19,600 subscribers. If you do appreciate my work and you want to go above and beyond, you can always join Tom's Army or send a YouTube super chat. It would be greatly appreciated. Please share this on social media. That is the biggest thing you can do to help my station. And then obviously comment in the video below, and that'll help spread it around. If you're looking to trade XRP or your favorite crypto, video description below. It's got all of the places that I use to trade, lowest spot fees and future fees if you're looking to leverage long or short in the market. If you are, just be careful because I know a lot of people are probably going short right now, but when everybody thinks short, when everybody feels short, when everybody wants short, that's generally when we'll have one more little arrangement back up, and we can see it's possibly the start here with XRP of a W reversal here. So be very careful this morning. A lot of optics. I know we came down violently just now, but it almost looks like if I'm looking at this from a level, it almost looks like here we did that to have a quick consolidation so that we could continue this morning move to rejection. If that's the case, we would want Bitcoin to violently surge back up here to 42,095. It's only a 410 point move or 500 point move, but that would make all the difference. If we are bearish, that would be a beautiful bearish rejection on this Sunday, and I would love for it to happen before the futures open, but I just don't know if the market has that kind of steam in it. But if that happens, we'll get our definite answer of we're going up for rejection for a further move down. More than likely. If we continue on the downtrend here, it's going to be tricky because at any point we can reverse and try to tap that topside liquidity. So pay attention very closely. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember, stay positive. Don't let your emotions control you. And I'll catch you later on this afternoon.